Do you guys like animals? Oh! Did you already know that many animals have babies? Today we're going to meet some of the cutest ones. Are you ready? Let's go! Look! It's a puppy! Does it like to play? And run around happily? Great! Here's the kitten! It sleeps a considerable amount and often says, "That's a young calf." This is indeed the offspring of the cow, a truly adorable baby. It loves being close to its mom. So many ducks. How fun! Mother duck takes care of them and they follow her everywhere. How fun! This little piglet rolls around in the mud. But it's very happy.
Baby duck, quack, quack, quack. Baby pig, oink, oink, oink. Baby dog, woof, woof, woof. Baby animals play all day, jump and run and laugh and play. Baby animals, so much fun, let's play with everyone. Baby cat, meow, meow, meow. Baby cow, moo, moo, moo. Baby animals play all day, jump and run and laugh and play. Baby animals, so much fun, let's play with everyone.
Today we saw lots of baby animals. Let's remember together. We saw a playful fluffy puppy, a tiny adorable kitten, a wobbly gentle calf, a cute yellow duckling, and a pink curious piglet. Among all these wonderful baby animals, which one truly captured your heart and became your absolute favorite?
Baby duck, quack, quack, quack. Baby pig, oink, oink, oink. Baby dog, woof, woof, woof. Baby animals play all day, jump and run and laugh and play. Baby animals, so much fun, let's play with everyone. Baby cat, meow, meow, meow. Baby cow, moo, moo, moo. Baby animals play all day, jump and run and laugh and play. Baby animals, so much fun, let's play with everyone.
Very good. See you next time, friends.
Hi kids! Today we are going to learn about pets. They live with us in our homes and we love them so much. Let's find out who these animals are.
Cats and dogs, the fish swim by. Hamsters run and parrots fly. The turtles slow but still so sweet. Our lovely pets are such a treat. Cats and dogs, the fish swim by. Hamsters run and parrots fly. The turtles slow but still so sweet. Our lovely pets are such a treat. Woof, woof, meow, meow, woof, woof, meow, meow, woof, woof, meow, meow.
Our first guest is a cat. They do meow, meow. They are so soft and fluffy. What colors do you think cats can be? That's right! Black, white, orange, and all kinds of colors. Here's a dog. Woof woof. Dogs are loyal friends. Dogs love to go on walks. They love playing with the ball and to guard the house. What sound does the dog make? That's right! Woof woof. And who is this? It's a hamster! Hamsters are so small and fluffy. They love running on wheels and to eat seeds. How many many legs do you think a hamster has? Good job! 1, 2, 3, and 4. Look, a fish. Fish live in the water. How do you think a fish moves? Let's try it together. And here is the turtle. It's so slow. Turtles love to swim in the water and walk very slow. Let's try to walk like a turtle. And finally, a parrot. Parrots are real chatterboxes. They can repeat words and chirp happily. Try to say, "Hello, parrot." Amazing! Let's sing together.
Cats and dogs, the fish swim by. Hamsters run and parrots fly. The turtle's slow but still so sweet. Our lovely pets are such a treat. Cats and dogs, the fish swim by. Hamsters run and parrots fly. The turtle's slow but still so sweet. Our lovely pets are such a treat. Woof woof, meow meow. Woof woof, meow meow. Woof woof, meow meow. Woof woof, meow meow.
Wow! So many wonderful friends live with us. Which one did you like the most? Amazing! Today we learned about cat, dog, hamsters, fish, and parrot. Now, let's wave them goodbye. Goodbye, friends!